To stay overview, click on a specific reservation of Raj that you're interested in and first print the pro forma invoice. Move over to the Guest Details tab. Click the More button and from the options, go ahead and select Print Guest Registration Card. Take a moment to review the guest registration form that pops up in the Print Preview window. Once you're done, go ahead and print it. Next, find the Print drop-down and choose Print Proforma Invoice. Make sure to select the Print All option, then click Print to proceed. You'll see a preview of the Proforma invoice next. In this, invoice number is not generated, and you can print and share with guests for finalization. After closing the pop-up, switch to Folio Operations and hit the Add Payment button to continue and settle the payment. For the payment type, select Cash. Enter the balance amount of 2,500 and then confirm the transaction to proceed. Click on Generate Invoice, and when prompted about an early checkout, confirm to finalize the billing process. Head back to the Print menu once more and select Print Invoice to generate the final settled bill. Check out the updated tax invoice in the Print Preview. It should reflect the invoice number. Thank you for watching.